Good evening to all. In previous video, we discussed about chemical kinetics, rate of reactions, and rate law and order of reactions. And today we are discussing about examples of rate equation and rate law and order of reactions. And first question is, for a reaction N2O5 is gives rise to 2NO2 plus O2, and dN2O5 by dt equal to KN2O5, and dNO2 by dt equal to KBN2O5, and dO2 by dt equal to KCN2O5. Then the relationship between Ka and Kb, Kc is what? So first you have to write rate equation. R equal to dx by dt N2O5, that means d N2O5 by dt equal to 1 by 2 d NO2 by dt. Next of here 1 by 2 is there, so I am taking 2 dO2 by dt, dO2 by dt. So here dN2O5 by dt equal to KaN2O5, that means I am taking KaN2O5, and dNO2 by dt equal to KBN2O5, that means I am taking 1 by 2, what is that, KBN2O5, KBN2O5 equal to, and dO2 by dt equal to KCN2O5, so 2 KCN2O5, so N2O5 and N2O5 get cancelled, Ka equal to Kb by 2 equal to 2 Kc. Here it is the relation between Ka and Kb and Kc. ఒక్కొక్కసారి వేరేలా అయిపోవచ్చు, సమ్టైమ్స్ ఇంటూ టూ కూడా చేయొచ్చు మనం, ఇంటూ టూ, దట్ మీన్స్ ఇంటూ టూ మీన్స్ 2Ka equal to 2 means 2 by 2 get cancelled, that means only Kb equal to 2 into 2 4 Kc. So it is also next, it is also Ka equal to Kb by 2 Kc, and 2Ka equal to Kb equal to 4 Kc. So it is also right answers. So these two also right answers for this question. And thank you. Next question. Next question is, for a reaction A plus B equal to product, and these are reactants, and rate of reaction equal to K, and here concentration of reactant A and B, and write the order of reaction. And very easy. What is the definition of order of reaction? Means sum of powers of concentration of reactants equal to order of reaction. Very easy. These two are concentration of reactants. Some powers of concentration of reactant means 1 and 1 by 2. That means very easy. R equal to K, A to the power of 1, B to the power of 1 by 2. Powers of concentration of reactants means 1 plus 2, and M plus N equal to order annam kada nenu. So that means M equal to 1 and N equal to off. M equal to 1, N equal to off. So 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3. So 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is order. So here it is right answer. 3 by 2 is order of reaction. Next question is, for a reaction A plus B equal to, gives rise to product, and rate increases to 2 times, when concentration of A increases 2 times and rate increases 9 times, but concentration of B increases 3 times. And what are individual order and total order? So very easy. Question చూడడానికి పెద్దగా ఉంది, బట్ ఆన్సర్ అనేది చాలా ఈజీ. సో రేట్ ఆఫ్ రియాక్షన్ ఈక్వల్ dx by dt. So it is rate constant, A to the power of m and B to the power of n. These two are coefficient, these two are concentration of reactants. Rate increases 2 times. So 2. Here rate is increases 2 times. And concentration of A also increases 2 times. So 2 to the power of m. 2 to the power of m means దీన్ని ఈక్వల్ చేసుకోవాలి, 2ని ఈక్వల్ చేసుకోవాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ. 2 to the power of 1, that means m equal to 1. And next concentration of B. Where is B? rate increases 9 times and concentration of B increases 3 times. So rate increases 9 times and concentration of B increases 3 times. So ఇక్కడ 9 అనేది దీనికి ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. సో 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So 3 to the power of n. So 3 to the power of, so 3 square అవుతుంది. So here n equal to 2. n equal to 2. 3 square equal to 9. And 2 to the power of 1 equal to 2. So m equal to 1 and n equal to 2. Concentration of reactant here, m equal to 1, n equal to 2. So total order equal to m plus n. 1 plus 2. So order of reaction is 3. Order with respect to A is 1. Order with respect to B is 2. So here order with respect to A is 1. Order with respect to B is 2. And total order is 3. So order of reaction is 3. Next question is, for reaction A plus 2B gives rise to product, and here rate increases 2.25 times, and when concentration of A increases 1.5 times, and next rate increases 8 times. So when concentration both A and B both increases 2 times. Very easy. Rate equal to K, A to the power of M and B to the power of N. So here rate increases 2.25 times. That means 2.25, and concentration of A increases 1.5 times. 1.5 to the power of M. 1.5 to this power of 2 equal to 2.25. That means 1.5 square. So here m equal to 2. m equal to 2. And next, when rate increases 8 times, when concentration of A and B both are increases 2 times. 2 to the power of m, 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of m and 2 to the power of n. That means 8 2 to the power of 3. 8 equal to 2 to the power of 3. That means 2 to the power of m plus n. m plus n. Already we know 2. m equal to 2. So m plus n equal to here 3. 3. We know that m equal to 2. 2 plus n equal to 3. And here n equal to 3 minus 2. That is 1. So we got n also. n equal to 1. So m equal to 2 and n equal to 1. So m plus n equal to 2 and n equal to 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So total order is 3. With respect to order with respect to A is 2. Order with respect to both A and B is 3. So total order is 3. Sorry, order with respect to B is 1. So total order is 3. Total order is 3. Here it is right answer. Next, for a reaction, A gives rise to product. Here rate increases 2 times, but when concentration of A increases 4 times, the concentration is very larger too with compared to rate. So rate increases 2 times only, but concentration of A increases 4 times. So what is the order of reaction of this? So rate equal to K, A to the power of M అనుకుందాం ఇక్కడ. So rate increases 2 times only, but concentration of A increases 4 times. What is M? What is M? ఇక్కడ దీనికి ఇది ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means 4 1 by 2. 4 1 by 2. 4 1 by 2 means root 4 equal to 2 అవుతుంది కదా. So root 4 equal to 2 means 4 1 by 2. That means here m equal to 1 by 2. m equal to 1 by 2. So m equal to 1 by 2 means root 4. Root 4 ఏమవుతుంది? 2 అవుతుంది. So here order of reaction is 1 by 2. Very easy. Just అటు ఇటు ఇస్తాడు, ఇటు అటు ఇస్తాడు, మనం అక్కడ కంపారిజన్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో ప్రతిదీ ఏదైనా సరే క్వశ్చన్ చూసి భయపడకండి, ఆన్సర్ అనేది ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Subscribe and share and like it. And thank you so much.